What's the difference between a heel spur and plantar fasciitis? Let's break it down. A heel spur is a bony growth underneath the heel bone, often caused by repetitive stresses. Plantar fasciitis, on the other hand, is the inflammation of the tissue that connected from your heel to your toes. Both conditions can cause heel pain, especially when standing or walking, but they both have different causes. If you're experiencing heel pain, it's best to consult a specialist for an accurate diagnosis and treatment. Plantar fasciitis is the number one cause of heel pain. You get heel pain with the first step in the morning or when you sit down for a while, and then when you get up, you get the heel pain again. This is the classic sign of plantar fasciitis. You can get this from overusing your plantar fascia, or standing too long on your feet, or exercising too much, or not wearing a good shoe, or driving too much, like pushing on the pedal, on and off, back and forth. If you're struggling with plantar fasciitis, then we have an amazing solution to help your own body to help to heal the plantar fasciitis itself. Class 4 laser therapy uses focused lights to stimulate healing, reduce pain, reduce inflammation, and promote tissue repair. Our patients seeing amazing results healing their plantar fasciitis for good with our high energy Class 4 laser therapy. Visit our website or YouTube to hear more success stories and see how Class 4 laser therapy can help you heal. Thank you.